Hey there, my beautiful souls. Danielle Corinne 999 here, and welcome back to my channel. So let's talk about the nighttime. How nighttime should be sacred. You know, rest should be peaceful. But for many of us, it's when we're attacked spiritually. I want to share how I protect myself before I go to bed and how you can too. Now, I made a previous video about those succubus and incubus spirits. So this is what I do. I start my night with intention. So before you sleep, speak protection over yourself. Use affirmations like no entity that's not of divine love can enter my space. Pray over your room. Pray over your bed. And most importantly, pray over your body. Anoint your head or your pillow with oil if that resonates. Light a candle and, play some high vibration music or read the Psalms, right, from the Bible so that you can really get into that spiritual mindset. And most importantly, check your spirit before you go to bed. What did you watch? Who did you text? What energy are you carrying to bed? Because that's very important. You have to protect your eye gates and you have to protect your ear gates because you have spiritual authority. You don't have to be afraid, but you do have to be aware. Guard your gates. Protect your rest. It's extremely important what you do before you go to bed. So let me know your bedtime ritual. What do you do before you go to bed? Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and share with someone who's been battling in their sleep because this is a very important topic that needs to be spread. And we have to spread awareness and we have to protect ourselves spiritually. I love you. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.